G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, material's wetted. There isn't faces in this apart from this piece that's been face down. A bit of matrix type material. The rest of it's fine lines, very bright. And through here. This will take some practiced hands to cut this. It's only very thin. It's all similar material. That line in the middle is the opal. See the colour coming through there. Runs out a bit on this end. This piece is a bit more undulating. Again, needs skilled hands to do this, to cut it, but you might end up with some extremely nice stones. This is a bit more questionable. The fire trying to get out. Fortunately, it's thin. Wonder what it'd be like if it was a 1/2 inch thick bar of opal. Anyway, it is what it is. It's priced accordingly. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.